If you want to start trading on Exness, the first thing you need is to find your account. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to deposit money on Exness, what payment methods are available, and what to check before you confirm the deposit. So first up, of course, you go into Exness website or open the Exness app and log in with your personal area using your email and password. Then once logged in, click on the deposit tab as shown here from the main dashboard menu. If you have multiple trading accounts, select the account you want to fund. Choose your preferred deposit method. As you can see, we can just go bank card or just choose any of these right over here that are available. So as you can see, what we have available is bank cards, e-wallets, local bank transfer options, and also cryptocurrency deposits. Then on the next step, you just enter the amount you wish to deposit. Exness will show you the minimum deposit, processing time, any applicable limits. Make sure the amount matches your trading plan. And then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the payments. For cards, you may need to confirm with 3D Secure. For crypto or e-wallets, you'll be redirected to the provider. And once the deposit is successful, the funds usually appear instantly or within minutes in your trading account. And that is how you deposit money on Exness step by step. If you want a guide on withdrawing funds, choosing the best payment method, or managing risk after depositing, let me know in the comments. Like the video and subscribe. Thanks for watching.